Hey everyone, super quick, just wanted to show you my latest project. It's pretty simple, but it was fun to learn this new skill of using MySQL Workbench. So what I did is I wanted to find the cheapest horse Bosal from the three top options that I saw online. So Amazon, Etsy, and then a place called Chick's Discount Saddlery. And so I created a database to get those different values for these three different websites. Just a kind of a background, a Bosal is a, I guess you could call it kind of headwear for the horse to put less pressure in its mouth so that you can, be really light in the hand with your horse. So this right here, this is the Bosal itself. It's usually made out of rawhide. And then we have the hanger, which, hangs it on the horse's head. And then the mechate are these reins right here that you use to steer it. So Bosals are honestly pretty expensive. And so I wanted to be very careful with my research on them. And so that's part of my motivation for this project, is to figure out what was the cheapest option. So I manually just went in and added the different values for Amazon, Etsy, and Chick's Discount. It includes the ID, the brand, the price, the shipping costs, and then just a yes or no answer for if it's just the nose band, the Bosal itself, or if it comes with the hanger and the mechate as well, if it's the full set. And then how many stars it got for its ratings, how many raters had it, how many people rated it, and then the URL for where I can access that to buy it. And then what I did too is I just went ahead and deleted the options from Amazon and Etsy where under 10 people gave it reviews, because obviously I want something that's tried and tested. So we can just see one example right here. This is what the whole table looks like right here. Nothing super fancy. I'll clean up the headers, of course. So there you go. There you can see it. And then let's see. Right here, I wanted to figure out what is the average price on each of these websites. So the price plus the shipping costs, just to make sure I'm not being too much of a cheapskate by expecting it to be a lower price than it actually is. So here you can see, for example, the average price for it on Amazon is about $78. And then, of course, one of the most important things is I want to figure out what is the cheapest one on each of these websites. And then I can compare across all of these. So you have, for example, the cheapest one on Amazon, $65, whereas the cheapest one on Etsy is $28. And then the Chick's Saddlery is close behind it with $31. So obviously what I'd like to do is figure out a way where, well, number one, most of the Amazon options were with the full headset, which of course is going to be more expensive, whereas the Etsy options, those are cheaper because they come with just the Bosal. And so obviously the minimum one and the average for Amazon is going to be more expensive than the other ones, just because it only comes with the full set, which is more expensive. So I'd like to figure out a way to have two different sets of minimum, so I can see, does this come with the Bosal, just the Bosal, or does it come with the full headset? So there's a few more things I'd like to implement to this so I can kind of more thoroughly research it. But here's what I have so far that I wanted to show you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.